center. I'll hold it off. I'll be right behind you. Go! No. Still hope.
What a great day for kicking ass.
Firing the U-beam! Sorry, Doom. I'm a little more ambitious than that. Okay, look. 1, I'm not a ghost. 2, if you want to fight, may I suggest we save the day first?
I am Iron Man.
This is Iron Man tech. I know it inside and out. And only I can stop it. I told you to leave this to me. I can't stop it. He's got control of my suit. But don't blame me. It was Reed's idea.
You look like you're going to cry.
Any suggestions? No, it wasn't me.
That was easy.
You misunderstand me. Your assistance is no longer required. I'll take care of this Doom character. He stole Tony Stark's property. He's Iron Man's problem.
Madeline, we have some unfinished business. You and me. Write me in for an appointment, Hammer. We need to talk. You can call yourself the TV remote controller for all I care. Just tell me how you got out of the vault. S.H.I.E.L.D. had you in lockdown and they threw away the key. So you sell the specs to both Stain and Hammer? Which one did you double-cross? Wasn't expecting that. What is he on, gamma steroids now? It's not her. She'd never forget a training session with S.H.I.E.L.D. Nice try. I already recalibrated my armor to your little solograms.
Even if it was a gamble, I'm not gonna give up being who I am. Ever again.
I told you.
I can sense technology. The cybernetic link with my armor feels like it's a part of me. I'm taking down Malin. Once and for all. Thanks, General Fury. I'm not sure what the future holds, but, you know, I'm okay with that.
What part of Invincible Iron Man didn't you understand? Iron Man. Target acquired! Knockout cannon! Hi there.
Whiplash, Arrow Guy. Say goodnight.
Repulsor blast!
Attention Hydra goons. You've been trying to take over the world for 60 years? It's not happening.
He actually shot at me? Fine, we'll do it the hard way.
Dude, you can't win this. I'm going to give you one chance here. Surrender.
Avengers, assemble! They don't call us Earth's mightiest heroes for nothing.
Unless you guys are here to thank me for doing your job for you, I'm not in the mood for this.
In Spanish, your name means it doesn't go. You are happily neither.
This thing is about to drill through my head. That's my tech. Hydra's using my technology against me?
You know, I could use a good lawyer, but not you. I said good.
Enough. We're moving out, people. But this isn't over. Timber! We'll hold a cell for you, Doom. Count on it. Alright, guys. We all know how this is going to end. Supervillain team up or not.
Here's the big one!
Let me guess. Bore me to death? You want to explain this, Fury? You stole my tech. Okay, enough. I want answers. Who are you people? Who is Michael Korvac? That's enough, Simon! I don't know what happened to you, but you've clearly lost it. If this is the kind of thing the Guardians deal with, then we should talk. No, he's right about us making a difference together. Everything I do is to help people! I just got back from meeting with Nick Fury. And I've got a quick question I need to ask. Is anyone here a shape-shifting alien? Where did you get that arm? Look out!
Unlock power inhibitor! Iron Avenger! Lock and load.
Hello, San Francisco!
Target enemy and deploy.
Yeah, obviously. Figured I'd let you catch up.
Hilarious. I'm sending you the bill.
This from one of Fury's morning briefs I never read? Come on, Tony, those are important. Okay, whatever.
What? Me, wrong? First time for everything, I guess. But I doubt it.
Whoa! This just got a whole lot more interesting.
You're doing a bang-up job proving your innocence.
Hey, get back here! Cap, we should secure the Terrigen crystal if that thing gets hit. Stay behind cover. All right, which one of you B-movie extras shot at me?
Stark.
Hey, those weapons were meant for the good guys. Good night, folks. Thor, update on those mechs. We're losing power fast. Now that is an entrance. That bomb goes off, it could liquefy everything within a 10-mile radius. The city's collapsing. Wait a minute. That's Tarleton's endgame. We're the terrorists in this AIM experience story. Screw this.
Do the Avengers pose a danger to society? That was the question, Bruce. That was the question.
You really think the world is better without us?
Did you it was a heist, Bruce. No. We were outsmarted.
See, it's always been your problem. Running from who you are, what you are.
No, we failed him. We failed him.
Holy crap, Thor! Where the hell did you come from? A bit dramatic, don't you think? We'll explain later. Don't worry, she's up to it. Hey, God of Thunder! Now, bring it!
Time for the big gun.
Oh, nothing. Everything's just peachy. Just hoping these guys don't have... They take it back. They've got Pulsar tech.
Told you I'd be back. Your machines are kind of like you, Jensen. Missing the human element. Kind of like a hangover. You think Iron Man's just a weapon of mass destruction? Well, get ready to see how right you are! Jensen, I'm sorry your family was taken from you. But what you're doing now is wrong. It goes against everything you taught me.
Sounds like you're having a night like mine. How's it hanging, Webbs? My Hall of Armors has been compromised. You might want to take a pass on this one.
Oh, no, you don't. Don't worry. Now that there are two of us, I'm sure this will be a snap. That kid is not well. I was in an anatomical phase. Be thankful you didn't see the armor with the...
Another time!
They can't be far.
Hey, Modork. Get off my lawn!
If you want to smash someone, MODOK's right behind you.
Keep your comms open, guys. We're gonna need a team effort here.
Hostile. When is it not? Good. Now divert power from the reactor into the armor. Quickly.
Very funny. On your mark, get set, go!
Is anyone else gonna say it? Or do I have to?
Let's rock! Good. I don't want to lose another bet. But if I had really cut loose, you'd be toast by now.
Jensen, come back! Jensen, don't!
Hang on, Jensen. I'm on my way.
You made your point, so now I'm gonna make mine.
You're so busy tearing the Savage Land apart, you can't even see what you could make with it, Hammer. That's high-density crystalline obsidian. Only needs to be a centimeter thick to repel light and raptor claws. Vines of the Cantua tree can be vulcanized and woven to match the tensile strength of steel, while also allowing for elasticity. That means I can jump, punch, and move while covered in rock. I'm a natural leader, remember? I made friends.
What's the best part of being the voice of Iron Man?
It's fun to be able to voice a really good-looking guy who's just got endless amounts of money and has the ability to go anywhere he wants at any time and save the world.
All right, good looking. Time to say goodnight. That's enough of that. If I stopped fighting every time something went wrong with my tech, I would have given up the hero gig a long time ago.
My first armor, the Mark I, is unique in several ways. First, it was the only armor I ever built in a cave. Second, I had help. I built my suits to save others. With that one, I could only save myself. And despite the dust and the years of neglect, it was clean, pure. Or it would be soon enough. I pulled the Mark I out of the cave and put it back together aboard the helicarrier, rewired it, reloaded it, and finally, to improve it, I installed my favorite co-pilot. Just in time. I got a plane to catch. Good. I have a plane to catch. Oh, you don't have to go if you don't want to. Okay. Mark III test flight. Starting with maneuvering thrusters. Hands by my sides. Arms back. A little late, don't you think? Friday, explain to the board members that Miss Potts and I have official superhero business to attend to. Pepper, you ready?
Better suit up, boss!
Friday, suit up, now! Time for the hero thing. Look out the window. So much for a hero's welcome. Knockout! Just like Happy Hogan Topping. Any idea who we're up against? Space. Hope the Mark I can hold up. We don't make combat drones anymore. 14-year-old me would be so proud. Shark some sense into him! I can see that. Get me back online. Pepper, come in. So you got a name? Or should I just call you Ghost? Love what they did with the place. Pepper! Take my hand! Bark! You look different. More alive than I remember. Open sesame. Look at that. As beautiful as the day she launched. I needed to sleep better. In the creepiest way possible. Good to see you're keeping busy around the house, pal. Hey, hey! We are not killing her.
You don't have to do anything.
Stop! Pal! Stop!
You let her escape!
I gave you an order!
She deserves to die!
Where's your holo projector?
How do you like Gunsmith 2.0? I'm thinking of renaming myself Tiny Stark. You know, because I'm so big! Talking about self-improvement, so I decided this is my party, boss, and I didn't say you could bring a +1, especially not her.
It's over, Ghost. It's finally over.
Friday, where did you go?
Your first armor versus your latest, and progress marches on, right over.
Get the dome. Help me bring down this giant idiot. That's how it's done.
Threat neutralized.
That's it, pal. Playtime is over.
What an explosive reception.
It's payback time.
We must be at the right place.
Hey boys, I'd love to keep playing, but I think it's time I excuse myself.
It's party time. I hope we're not overdressed.
I can always count on you to state the obvious.
Oh, nice to see you're still as pleasant as you ever were.
Don't mess with me.
Oh, so I guess it's mine?
Believe me, they can afford to lose a few. That's not the most important thing now. We need to get a hold of that kid before he causes any more damage.
Sorry, Nick, but I had to do what I thought was necessary. I think I need to improve the AI on the Mandroids. After facing off with them, I have to say they seem a little vulnerable.
Oh boy! War Machine. Thank you. I hid it in the initial design. I'm an arrogant bastard sometimes, but I learned long ago not to be stupid.
As an ally, you'd let me read that file? Where did you get your tech from? I ask because it's pretty advanced. Especially for someone your age.
Sorry, Nick. I don't have time to waste right now. I'll pay for the damages. I still have things to do.
Yeah, I thought that might happen, so I brought your biggest fan.
Rhodey, this is it. You've only got one chance.
You're getting a little cranky, kid. Isn't it past your bedtime?
Come on, Colonel. Do it now. It's our last chance before the world ends. Shoot!
Man, this guy's slippery.
What the hell? You know, it's not too late to fix this. Turn yourself into S.H.I.E.L.D. and I promise I'll help you. No more hiding in the dark. Hey, boy! I came to see you! Why don't you turn the lights on for me? I don't understand. You killed my best friend. Worse than that, you don't think you did anything wrong, do you? I want to show this guy something I have that he doesn't. This is gonna be our last chance, so listen up. It's not new at all. The truth is, it's only been born and exists because of the past. I'm counting on you, Rhodey, okay? All right, Jarvis, pull the trigger. Go. Looks like my time's up. You sure? I have that much? Here we go. Hope your little nap didn't affect your aim. Aim? At what?
Salvation is on its way. It will make a breakthrough. We will stand together.
Sorry, Fury. Gotta go.